Coming to question number 4, children. Question number 4 says that write the following in the set builder form. Set builder form means rule method. So obviously number 1 is 3, 6, 9, 12. We can say, see over here that these all 4 numbers are multiple of 3. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja and 3 4 ja. So we can write this as, let us name it as A equals to X such that thrice of n. You can see over thrice, all are 3 multiples of 3. Thrice of n, where n belongs to capital N. N belongs to capital N and 1 is less than equals to n, which is less than equals to 4. I think you understand. Over here x equals to 3n, all are multiples of 3. Now what is n? N belongs to natural numbers. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 4 ja. So 1 2 3 4, all are natural numbers. But this natural numbers, from where to where it is? It is from 1 to 4. So in place of n, if I put 1 2 3 4, I'll be getting the required set which is given in the question. Let us go to subpart number 2. It is 2 4 8 16 32. 2 4 8 16 32. Now this we can also write as, over here see, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 4 is 16, 2 power 5 is 32. Children, you should read the letters and see the property. So over here we can write it as B is equals to X such that X equals to 2 power n. 2 power n, where n belongs to capital N, because over here we have taken 2 power 1, 2 power 2, so n belongs to capital N. Now this n ranges from 1 to 5, so we can write and 1 is less than equals to n, which is less than equals to 5. I think you understand. Here you can also write as less than 6. Now subpart number 3 is 5 25 1 to 5 and 6 to 5. Now this we can write as, it's similar to part number 2. 5 power 1 is 5, 5 power 2 is 25, 5 power 3 is 1 to 5, 5 power 4 is 6 to 5. So let us write this as x such that x is equals to 5 power n, where n belongs to capital N and 1 is less than equals to n, which is less than equals to 4, or we can write strictly less than 5. Subpart number 4 is, subpart number 4 is 2 4 6 and so on. So let us write this as, you can see 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja. So we can write this as ABC name we have given. So I am writing over here D. It's your wish what name you are giving. So D is equals to X such that X equals to twice n. Twice n. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja. And n is 1 to infinite. So where n belongs to capital N. Subpart number 5 is 149 up to 100. 149 up to 100. So this we can write 1 square, 1, 2 square, 2, 3 square, 9, and this one will be 10 square. So this is the square of the first 10 natural numbers. So let us write E equals to X such that X is equals to n square, where 1 less than equals to n, which is less than equals to 10. Now question number 5 is, question number 5. Question number 5 says that list all the elements of the following sets. Now few sets are given in set builder form and we have to write in the roster form. So let us proceed. 5 subpart number 1 is A equals to X such that X is an odd natural number. So let us write the answer as, we have to write it in the form of roster form. So answer A equals to X such that X is an odd natural number. So simply write the odd natural number. I think clear. Now Subpart number 2 is b equals to x such that x is an integer, and minus 1 by 2 is less than x, which is less than 9 by 2. So we have to list all the integers between minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2. Now over here in answer part, minus 1 by 2 equals to minus of 0.5 and 9 by 2 equals to 4.5. Therefore, b equals to, we have to list all the integers between minus 0.5 to 4.5. So this will be equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can clearly understand from the number line. Over here minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have to list over here it is 4.5 and over here it is minus of 0.5. So we have to list the integers between these. So the integers will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let us go to subpart number 3. Subpart number 3 is c equals to x such that x is an integer, and x square is less than equals to 4. So over here in answer part, we will write, we have to list all the integers such that whose square is less than equals to 4. So obviously c will be equals to minus 1, 1, 2 and minus 2. So we can write it in order as minus 2, minus 1, 2 and minus 2. So whether you write this or this, both the answers are correct. Number 4, d equals to x such that x is a letter of the word loyal. X is the letter of the word loyal. So we will be writing this answer as d equals to L-O-Y-A, because L will be repeated over here. So this is the answer. Now let us go to subpart number 5. Subpart number 5 is E equals to x such that x is the month of a year not having 31 days. E equals to x such that x is the month of a year not having 31 days. So clearly this you can answer. E equals to not having 31 days will be February, then after February April, then June, then September, and last will be November. Now number 6 is x such that x is a consonant which precedes k. X such that x is a consonant preceding k. So obviously this we can write as f equals to preceding k, and that should be consonant. A is a vowel, so we will be writing B, C, D. E is a vowel, F, G, H. I is a vowel, K. No, K we don't have to write because we have to write preceding K. So this much is the answer. Let us go to question number 6. Question number 6 is match the following. In the left side roster form is there and on the right side set builder form is there. Now I have matched it and have written the answers on the board. So number 1 is 1, 2, 3, 6. Obviously it is a natural number and divisor of 6. 2, 3, x such that x is a prime number. These two are prime numbers and also a divisor of 6. Now over here, these letters MATHEICS, this is the letter of the word mathematics, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are the odd natural numbers less than 10. So you can write as such, or you can copy the question and match in the form of lines. So children, the basic concept of a set, that is what is a set and which type of collection will be called a set. The sign epsilon does not epsilon, that is belongs to and does not belongs to, you have understood. Based on that, exercise 1.1 we have discussed. Now we will be going to the second section of the set theory, that is definitions or the types of the sets.